So most Nigerians wake up today to actually find that their user, the government has actually suspended the Twitter in the country. So, but though it's still accessible on some Wi-Fi network, so this is just an attempt to stifle the freedom of speech, and this is deeply concerning. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Twitter account using the virtual private network, which is called the VPN, which has become very popular overnight in Nigeria as a result of this suspension, according to the search tracking site Transmap. So just want you to follow me. Tap on the App Store. So you go into this place. Don't forget to type in hide.me, then VPN. So it comes up here. You tap. So all you're going to do is to download this. Tap on that icon. So it's opening. So you can tap here. So it's going to say get the free plan. So you get a free plan. So activate the free plan. So we're going to enable the VPN. So it's going to say allow. So I'm going to put in my password to access that. So now my VPN is already connected. Whoa. So we're moving on. So let's go into our Twitter account, because by default, it selects the United States, which is where most of the servers are actually located. So if you go on your Twitter account, so you can see that my Twitter account is live, especially if you're in Nigeria, but because it will be showing, it's already showing here. So if I want to change the location back to Nigeria, so I go into this place here, go into privacy setting, go into account, then you can change your password if you want. Then if not, you can select the country and you can select selected United States. So you can go back and select Nigeria. So let's go down here and select looking for Nigeria. Are they removed? Okay. So you can select that Nigeria. So you change the country, you click that change the country, so you change that, so you can go back to your Twitter account. Wow. So you begin to see friends and family, so you can now go back and tweet again. So I think we got them on this. But let's enjoy it as it lasts. We don't know what is going to be the next government action. Okay, so I wish you the best of luck, so you can actually reach your friends and family. Also see what is happening, what is trending in the country, and why we watch what is going to happen next. So I wish you luck. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed to this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Or if you have any question or challenges installing this app, please just leave your comment below this video and we'll get to you as soon as possible. Remember that our freedom of speech cannot be stifled. Okay, so I look forward to see you in our next presentation. Thank you. Have a great day.